Hello everyone, in this video we will guide you on how to check Windows 11 activation status. To check the activation status on Windows 11, you don't need to download and install any third-party tool. Just click on the Start button, select Settings in the menu, otherwise you can press Windows plus I key on the keyboard or right click on the Start button and select here Settings. This will open Settings, then select System in the left sidebar. On the right, click on Activation. Here beside the activation state, if you see active, then your Windows is activated, and if you see not active, then your Windows is not activated. You need to purchase a new product key, or if you have already product key, click on the change button beside change product key and enter here 25-digit product key that you have received after purchasing. Then click on the next button. If your PC is connected to internet, then your product key will be validated through Microsoft Server, and it will be installed on your computer, and your computer will be activated without any issues. Thank you. See you in the next video.